Hi, what's up, Lee? Welcome to Rich Side Insider. We have to talk about Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu, and also what do I think about their future and what are the development happening around Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and my price targets for Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Okay, let's go look at Ethereum. So over the 5 days, Ethereum jumped from 3,200 to 3,900. So it's almost 4,000. It hasn't broken out the 4,000 yet. So that's what I'm really interested in. And just imagine if you just put 3,200 5 days ago, you are already reached 1,000 or richer. So Walmart, if we are talking about Walmart, it's only 2,500, 2,500, and 1 year in July 2019, it was only 1,800, so it's only 1,700. So you already double the money in 1 month, in 1.5 months. That's really crazy. And Bitcoin is now 50,000. Like I said before, if it breaks out 42,000, it's gonna go higher. Go higher and cross over 50,000. Now it's already over 50,000 right now. So I'm really interested in 65,000. That's what I'm really interested in. If it breaks out 65,000, we are looking at 100,000 for Bitcoin. So that's the price target for Bitcoin. Shiba Inu, it doesn't change so much. 24 hours doesn't change. 1 week doesn't change. 1.66, 1 month 12.42. It's all right. So 1 year, of course, is a lot. So I'm really interested if we only have 4.0 instead of 5.0. If the price jump and hit 4.0, so that's what I'm really looking at. That's what I will be really looking at Shiba Inu. So why do I think that Ethereum and Bitcoins they are going up? So Ethereum is going up because of the spike in NFT purchase on Ethereum blockchain. So what is NFT? NFT is called non-fungible token. So it's a digital art. If you want to buy NFT or Mona Lisa painting, instead of getting physical painting of the Mona Lisa, you're gonna get digital version of the Mona Lisa. So a lot of the celebrities, they are selling their own digital art. Even Twitter selling their first status post as an NFT. So a lot of people buy NFT like crazy. You would just imagine what's the point of buying digital something that you can even touch. It's the same way with the physical art. Some people don't understand why would some people buy millions of dollars on just a painting. So to each its own. Some people value digitally. So everything is going digital right now. So it only makes sense that digital art are getting more valuable. So if you want to buy digital art, what do you have to use? Ethereum. So you have to buy Ethereum. So that's why Ethereum price has been going up. I believe Ethereum upgrade is coming. So it's gonna become more efficient, much faster. It's gonna become proof of stake, POS instead of proof of work, POW. So it's going to be more energy efficient. So that upgrade, Ethereum has been burning quite a few coins, like deflationary. So that's why Ethereum is going up. And how about Dogecoin? Dogecoin doesn't change much. 24 hours, nothing much. 1 week, 10%, or nothing much. 1 year, of course, there's a big change. It's been hovering around 30 cents. But I think Dogecoin is going to go up because Elon Musk has been supporting the upgrade for the Dogecoin. So if Dogecoin upgrades, Dogecoin is going to become more secure, and also the transaction fee is gonna lower. It's gonna secure network, lower transaction fees. So because Elon Musk and Mark Cuban, they have supporting, so more and more people is gonna buy Dogecoin. Even just to play. If more people knows Bitcoin, know Dogecoin, more people are gonna use it. If more people are gonna use it, the developer has a more incentive to develop the Dogecoin. So if they develop much more, so that means it's gonna become better. So the more people can use, there's gonna be more users that people can use. So Mark Cuban is Dallas Mavericks offer cashback rewards of Bitcoin, Dogecoin purchases. So if you buy Dogecoin, customer who spend more than 150 Dogecoin in one transaction will receive $25 in gift card. So this is really great. There's Mark Cuban supporting Dogecoin. So that means, if more and more people use, if they want to get gift card, they have to use Dogecoin. So what do? They're gonna go ahead and buy Dogecoin, on a stop on a crypto exchange. I'm gonna put the link down below. You can get free crypto using the link down below as well. Okay, so this is great news. So they are supporting, but you have to use it until September 30th. You have to use it before September 30th. So there are more and more businesses gonna offer program like this. If billionaires are starting to talk about Dogecoin, Ethereum, so more and more business gonna offer just to get publicity, so more and more people gonna know, more and more people gonna buy, more and more people gonna make the purchases with the Dogecoin. This is great news. So for the question, and also Twitter to allow users to add Bitcoin Ethereum addresses to profile. This is great because if you are a celebrity, you want to put the Bitcoin Ethereum the addresses, so that people can donate money contribution. If you're a charity organization, whatever, if people can do that, more people have to buy Ethereum and Bitcoin to be able to do that. So this is great. It's gonna promote the usage of the Twitter. So really great. So I like it. CEO Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey also has another company called Square. So Jack Dorsey to develop a decentralized exchange for Bitcoin. So Square is gonna be one of them. It's gonna be a subsidiary of the Square. So right now, let's look at what they say. It's basically, it's gonna be open development platform with sole objective of facilitating the creation of decentralized financial services. Square is a financial services company. If you go to the restaurant, you swipe your credit card, debit card. So those POS, they use Square. I see a lot of businesses are starting to use Square, and Square is also going to offer banking. If some of the business owners they don't get access to the bank, the banks doesn't want to lend the money to them. So for those business owners, they are starting to lend the money to those business owners. So once you stick to a business like Square, the business owners they are so busy. They don't have time to look for other services. They're going to keep using more and more services. And so, and without custody, without permission, that's really important. So Square is a part of the financial services. So more and more businesses going to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum. If that happens, that's going to be great. Hey, you can pay by Bitcoin, you can pay by Ethereum. We accept via the Square POS. That is very powerful. Just imagine. So anybody gonna be able to make a purchase. Even if you don't have a Visa card, debit card, if you have a Bitcoin, Ethereum. So because if you go and deposit your money in the bank becomes your custodian, and your money is in the custody of the bank. So if you want to make the wire transfer to another country, you need to ask the bank permission. I'm going to wire this money to this one. If you have to answer all those questions, most people don't want to do that. So it costs more money to do that. So just imagine if Square is able to develop a platform where anybody in the world, any countries, developing countries, it can be Africa, Zimbabwe, or even in Estonia, countries, Eastern Europe countries, can transfer the money between US and UK, Canada, anywhere. Just imagine how efficient it's gonna be. So Square is gonna get more and more. Gonna capture the whole world population. So I like it. I like Square stock. I like Twitter stock, and I like that Square is doing this one. So Bitcoins and Ethereum is gonna go up much higher. But remember that there is a risk. In September, October, there's gonna be regulation risk gonna be coming. So all these regulation. So once we clearly know that U.S. government doesn't do anything to impose a hardship on the crypto miners or crypto traders, crypto brokers. If they do not impose so much regulation to make it so difficult for people to hold Bitcoin cryptocurrency. I like it. If the law regulation becomes so clear, oh, this is nothing really. They just want to get the tax revenue. That's great. I believe they have a higher interest to get the tax revenue rather than just totally ban the cryptocurrency. So once we know clearly, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, their price is gonna go up. So thank you so much for watching. You can get free stocks and free crypto in the link description and comment below. Bye bye.